Don't panic! The doorbell's gone, the guests have arrived, and you've not planned anything for a canape, but you happen to have a packet of salmon, some Philadelphia and cucumber in the fridge. Off you trot, here's some speedy salmon canapes. Okay, I've made it sound really easy, but it is. All you need is some cream cheese. Obviously, Philadelphia is god level. And then I'm going to flavour it up with some extras. So we've got dill and a squeeze of lemon. And don't forget the salt and pepper, but you can zhuzh this up with perhaps some chilli. Even a little bit of festive nutmeg will work in here. Then we've got our cucumber. I'm using a vegetable peeler to create long ribbons. And you want to dry them off a little with some kitchen towels so they're not too wet for your canapes. Also, and you'll find out later in the video, probably don't need them to be this big, but that's personal preference. Then we're going to lay on some oak smoked salmon, cream cheese mix, and give it a roll up. That's it. That's all there is to it. Cucumber, smoked salmon, cream cheese, roll it up. Easy as that. A little bit of advice, don't go so heavy on the cream cheese.
No, I don't think that's the
Did you not think?
No.
Slice the cucumber in half?
Yeah, just go smaller.
Go smaller. Some people struggled with the volume of canape. Georgia Finesse with her tiny bird mouth struggled with the quantity. Funnily enough, I didn't.